We'll guide you through how to restore deleted contacts on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've accidentally gone and deleted a contact, or maybe you purposely did it and now you regret doing it. Perhaps you still want to go and have their number, or you need to go and contact them. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and recover and restore the deleted contact. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead in case you miss an important part of this. So what we can do is come into the Contacts app. You may have tried looking around the app for it, and perhaps you tried going to your settings by pressing your profile icon in the top right and going out of settings, and you just can't go and see it. We're going to guide you through how you can restore and recover it. So what you need to do is come to the top right and press your profile icon. Then you want to find the option for manage your Google account and go and tap there. It will then go and open up like so. Then what you need to do is you need to go down and you need to find the option for people and sharing. Go and tap there. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for contacts and you can go and tap there. They'll go and open up. Keep waiting. Now you can go and see your contacts in here. To go and recover and restore deleted, what you can do is press the three lines in the top left, go down and find the option for bin. You're then going to go and find contacts that you've gone and deleted. What you can do if you want to go and recover them is you can go and select them by tapping the profile icon like so. And with them selected, you can go and press recover to the right. So you can see that Bob Mobile and Daniel Lawrence have just gone and recovered and restored. Let's come and return to our contacts here. I'll go and close this in the top left, press back, close this. Let me just go and refresh this. You can go and see they've just come back. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.